Hi everyone, my name's Electric Donkey and today we are back doing another little review. So today we're reviewing Retro Game brackets Game Boy. Okay, well, interesting. I'm kind of just gonna speak how this is meant to probably sound. It doesn't look like that, but okay, well, we'll just read it basically. This game style Game Boy, I think it means retro game there. Adventure and Brain. An adventure puzzle game, maybe? Write your opinion. Not opinion. Write your opinion. Down in the comments, I think. Arrows equals move. Right, fair enough. R is to restart the stage and X is to action. Okay, right. And then we've also apparently got the same thing again there, but with it's the same spelling. Anyway, if you want to play it, demo of that game. Okay, yeah, I think that means if you want to play the demo of the game, there's the link. If you want to play theme of this game, take that. Basically it's the game, let's just review it and stop trying to read that. Okay, so first off, thing that I noticed as soon as I opened it up. Now, that is a problem, fundamentally, because a lot of people won't know the Game Maker hotkey to change it. It's Alt Enter, and I don't think you have a key built into it. So what I'm going to say is the same thing that I got sent to me a while back, was this thread. Basically, you need to tick some boxes pretty much, so I'm just going to quickly comment that into there. Like that. So yeah, you've got that at this point. So yeah, that's an issue. Right, so actually into the game itself. So it does have a retro feel about it right off the bat. You know, you've got the colours and everything spot on, and you've also got the one square movement, so you can't move freely as in modern games. Straight off the bat though, things that I don't like is these torches. Again, probably sped up by this. I had the same problem. Still am having the same problem, in fact. And also there's a tiny little connection error here. Ever so slightly, it's tiny. But anyway, to the actual game itself, looks alright. Action. Okay, so yeah, by the looks of it, it's a puzzle game. It's a relatively simple puzzle game at the moment, so let's see if it gets any trickier. So can we push? No. So, you know, there is some sort of aspect to this. Whether it works or not, we'll have to test. Also, whether this is going to work at all. Probably not. No. Okay, so we can restart. Yep, that all works nice and fine. Let's just try some random hotkeys. So I feel like this could be a game which might have a few left in. No, doesn't seem to. Trying to figure out how we there we go. Right, so overall I think, you know, well, just as a brief look, we're 4 minutes in roughly. I'd say it's looking alright, to be honest. Everything's sped up, looks, you know, well, the torches are sped up anyway. Looks a little bit weird, but other than that, I mean, it seems to be relatively smooth, it works relatively alright. Okay, so the spikes, so we die on them at a certain time. Okay. Now the problem is it's step-by-step movement, so yeah, so okay, I wasn't stood on the spikes then, and it still got me. I'm wondering whether there's enough time actually to get over them. There's not enough time, I don't think. Okay, there's just enough time if you really time it right. So, but you can't say go that way. I don't know whether that's intentional or not, but I don't know, in my eyes that doesn't seem to work very well. Maybe you should just ever so slightly shorten it. Oh dear, falling off my chair. Yeah, so just maybe ever so slightly shorten it. Because even then I'm not actually stood on the square and it's got me. So, what I'm going to quickly try and do is see if we can run this in compatibility mode. So fingers crossed, it should now work in full screen. Yeah, okay. In full screen it somehow looks much... I think you've got interpolation between pixels on, which is making this fuzzy and not really that good in my eyes. That's the only thing I'd see from the full screen. We do have the weird torches that look like they're flashing too fast. Again, minor issue really. I do like the character animations actually, they look pretty neat, especially that one, it's pretty cool. So, awesome. I think that's alright, to be honest. I'm not really going to complain about that. Overall, I think it's relatively alright. Maybe you should add some save options, some different, not necessarily even different resolutions, just some kind of options. I can't actually quit the game whilst in full screen mode. There is no keybind to it. You have to tap out and click X. Again, slight problem, but yeah, main thing is probably just to sort out your issue here. Maybe add some more levels, do some things, but for the most part that kind of covered me for the moment. More things to add really, just make sure those things are polished up, so the interpolation between pixels, if you've got that on, needs to be off really. Little things like that. Fix your spelling sort of thing here, but that's about it really. So anyway guys, if you like this review, remember to like, subscribe, or just do if you guys want to do, and I will talk to you in the next one.